Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this 2020 Prius Prime plug-in that has the tech package included. Power for this Prime comes from a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine with a hybrid electric fuel system. It is an automatic and front wheel drive. We do have a full set of alloy rims with your summer tires, and right now we've got our winter tires on steel rims. From the side we've got our color matched door handles and mirrors with integrated turn signals, and we've got our plug-in hybrid badging right there. And then moving around to the front, we're going to find fog lights and a large ringed windshield, which will give you excellent visibility. Inside we have a ton of great features too, so let's hop right in and check out what the interior of this Prius has to offer. So climbing inside, if we take a look at the door panel, we've got our power locks, windows and mirrors. Your traction control and your automatic high beams can also be found here. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we've got our volume controls, trip meter and hands-free Bluetooth calling. And over here on the right, we will find our heated steering wheel, our quick buttons for our lane departure alert and forward collision, and also our adaptive cruise control. Taking a look up here on the dash, we've got our digital speedometer. Also, you can use the controls on the steering wheel to go through and access different information. Like right up here is your safety features once again, or we can scroll through and get different information on our energy, how the battery is, and your audio. Moving down, we've got moving down to the central dash, we've got an AM/FM stereo with Apple Carplay, a CD player, and Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription, as well as Bluetooth. And down a little bit further, we've got our electronic climate control with air conditioning and our rear window defrost, as well as heated mirrors, as well as our eco mode for our climate control. And our front heated seat controls can be found right down here. We also have a remote engine start, and right here is our shifter and our drive mode. And then just taking a peek around, we've got this really nice, like new, black cloth interior. So let's hop out and check out the rear of this Prius and see what's going on back there. Moving around to the back, we've got our double rear window. And back here, you're also going to find your Prius Prime badging. And also our rear-mounted color-matched shark fin antenna. Inside, we've got plenty of cargo space and 60/40 fold-down rear seats to expand that, as well as a privacy shade cover for you. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2020 Toyota Prius Prime with the technology package. If you would like to see it for yourself, come down to 1624 Carey Road. If you have questions before making the trip, give us a call, or you can find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody is doing fantastic. Please drive safe. We look forward to seeing you soon.